What's up, everyone? Last week, dollar finally had its biggest moment of weakness since the beginning of raising rates last year, and in anticipation of rates rising, etc. So the dollar has been on a tear, just taking everything inside, and until last week when the CPI data hit and markets started pricing in a little more softer Fed, meaning they're not going to be raising rates at 75 basis point at a clip, and they might start doing less, 50 to 25, and the dollar sold off on that news. It doesn't matter which currency pair you look at. We're just going to look at the dollar index. So, first of all, we had this trendline break, which has been quite a solid trend line for quite some time. We finally broke this trend line quite aggressively. Now, if you even looking at the this weekly chart of the U.S. dollar rise, you can clearly see um, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and we still have one more leg up. So, first of all, why do we think that we still have one more leg up? Well, because it was just the one data point, and Fed is behind the curve on raising interest rates. So, I think this is the wave four, and before we actually see the end of this dollar move as economy improves and the recession, not recession, inflation subsides, because now we're going to start having problems with the economy given that all that's happened. So we might still do one more leg up before it's all over. Now, if you draw the fibs from the bottom of leg two and this whole rise since May 2021, we have this is the first big correction, and usually, according to the Elliott wave theory, these corrections stop around the vicinity of previous wave four. So this wave up has an internal structure, and I think this is the wave four in this leg up. Anyway, so usually we stop around wave four, and coincidentally, it's a 38.2 fib. Now, given the strength of this uptrend and then the violent reaction towards against the trend, I think highly likely we're gonna tap this 38.2 and find the bounce. I don't think we're gonna bounce right away to the taking out these highs. I think we're gonna have this is an A, a B, uh, a bounce up, and a C correction. So we're gonna still have one more low before we take out this trend line here and go to the new highs. So the confluence of 38.2 and I guess there's some, yeah, let's see, daily block right here, and so on the daily block right there, we can see clearly that. One sec. So I think we're gonna basically retest this daily order block, call it support, and so provide a little bit of a bounce. After that, we'll see. We might retest this underneath. Well, actually, so we might do something like this. Go here, go here, mhm, then one more down, and then we're gonna go. After that point, we're free. We're clear for a takeoff up. Something like this is what I'm looking at. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for the next week. I'm gonna be buying here for the bounce up. I'll hold it probably to until we retest this order block right here or the underneath of this previous support, turn resistance, and then from there we'll start evaluating what to do next. But for now, this is the game plan. This is a very aggressive move down, the most aggressive move down we've seen in all of this uptrend since it started, and I think the buyers will come in around this level here, and all these levels are very similar on whether you're looking at the euro, you're looking at pound, you're looking at Aussie, New Zealand, dollar CAD, whatever, even dollar yen. Uh, they're all pretty much the same. So a little bit more downside, then a bounce up is the big thing that I'm looking at for the next week. All right, hope it helps. As always, stop by our new Discord where we trade and on multiple people stream multiple monitors and do multiple trades all at the same time. So if you're interested in seeing how pros do it, more than welcome to stop by. The link is in the description page. Or if you have any more questions or you need some help getting signals, stop by apexbull.com. Hope it helps. Enjoy.